Hi, folks. Welcome to the Weekend Investing Daily Bite of 23rd September. A lackluster day led by some sort of nice news from the auto sector. The festive season has started yesterday, and the sales on the first day itself seems to be clocking some great numbers. So, news from Maruti, news from Hyundai, news from Tata Motors, all looking good. Consumption is going to be the theme going forward. It seems the pent up demand for white goods and automobiles, with the GST rates also getting rationalized from yesterday, that is going to aid in the demand side for consumption goods, and that seems to be the positive theme in the market. The negative theme, of course, continued in the IT space, where uncertainty is still looming how IT companies will jostle with this H1B visa going forward. Besides this, there were some green shoots in the power space, and in general, market was a bit listless compared to previous few sessions. A disclaimer as always, please read fully and understand it, and do subscribe to our channel. Let's look at some charts. So you can see fourth day in a row, Nifty in a sulky mood, minus 0.13% today. But really, it is not dropping off as such. I mean, yes, we had this marvelous run, and then just 4 days of some correction. But I think the kind of news flow that has happened in the last 3 4 days, it could have been much worse. So I would take it as positive that the market is not really dropping off, even on bad cues. Nifty Junior, however, lost uh, 0.46%. The number should be negative here. And in the mid cap space, we lost 0.29%. In the small cap space, we lost 0.52%. So mild losses, but I think nothing really bad has happened yet. Nifty Bank, however, perking up at 0.41% gain for the day. This is, of course, a relentlessly strong bull rally in gold, 1.5% again for the day. We are now at 11,443 per gram, and not stopping. So, at every level from 55,000 in just 18 months back, we have more than doubled to 11,443 from 5,500. And at every level, it seemed to most people that gold has run up a lot, but it is proving to be otherwise. There are international commentary which says gold could easily go to 5,000. Somebody saying 8,000. Somebody saying $10,000. So sky is the limit, because the monetary system itself is witnessing a change, and how deep that change is going to be is, it cannot be ascertained on a day-to-day basis. We will look back on this period in history later on and say that, those were the days when the system was changing. Advances and decline trends, very much in favor of declines only. 333 declines, 267 advances. And you can see that most of the Nifty heat map is red, led by FMCG. This is sort of counterintuitive, because the theme that we were playing, as per narrative, was consumption stocks, and FMCG itself is falling. And Ultra Semco down 2%. Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Infosys, TCS, mild down days. Life insurance continues to bleed. So most life insurance folks are saying that reducing or exempting GST for consumers in life insurance has made margins go away in insurance, because they can now not take input credit for the expenses that they're making. Uh, Good day for Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, Bajaj Finance, and a poor day for. So there seems to be a churn that is happening within the banking space, also mostly private to PSUs, and power sector also looking quite good. Reliance absolutely flat for the day. In the Nifty Next 50 space, some profit taking in Adani Group stocks, which had run up in the last 3 days. Godrej CP lost 3%. Indian Hotel lost. Naukri, Pidilite. Pidilite, I think, went into a split or a bonus. Jindal Steel up 2.9%. BPCL up. Motherson up. Canara Bank up. And mild losses in capital goods as well. Mover of the day, Tata Investment Corporation Limited, subdivision of equity shares is coming, split is coming. So Tata Investment up 12% on that front. The stock has recently gone from 6,800 to 8,100. In the sectoral trends, it was very clear that PSU Banks are leading the rally today at 1% gain, along with metals. You have autos also do well on the back of good commentary from Hyundai and Maruti. And you had private banks gain 0.53%, but nothing compared to what PSU banks did today. And what lost ground was FMCG 1.29%, real estate 0.89%, tourism, defense, consumption, and IT stocks led the downfall. In the FMCG space, quite a sharp move down actually from the recent highs. Godrej Consumer, Radico, Britannia, HUL, and Nestle leading the market down in this space. And PSU banks are hitting recent highs at plus 1%, with Canara, SBI, Union, Bank of Baroda, and Bank of India gaining ground. In the tweets of the day segment, uh, very important tweet for silver fans. You very well know, if you follow me, I'm not much of a silver fan, but silver has also done very well. The difference in silver and gold moves has been that gold moves more steadily and silver moves in very, very lumpy fashion. In this chart, I've shown that uh, the breakout after 13 years that happened in silver in 2005 uh, resulted in a 6x move within 6 years. And then now this time the breakout has happened in about 13 years, and we've just 18 months into this breakout. You don't know where this could go, and that's what the tweet from Bullion Star is, and this is important for silver fans. The next tweet was about INR. USD INR very quietly has moved from 88 rupees 2 days back to almost 88.75. I think when I posted this chart, it was 88.40, but by the end of the day, it was 88.75. Lot of folks had been saying that the dollar is losing ground versus all other currencies, so rupee will go to 70 or 60. In fact, it is happening the other way around, that rupee continues to lose value versus the dollar, which continues to lose value versus other currencies. So actually, Indian rupee is losing tremendous value against other currencies. So now, if you think of a European holiday, you are going to pay through your nose for it, because not only has INR dropped against US dollar, but US dollar is dropping against the euro also in a big way. Similarly with GBP, similarly with the Swiss franc, uh, I think our currency is one of the weakest currencies right now in the whole world. And we are going to do a very in-depth study on silver moves and is silver undervalued in our 8 p.m. video. Do watch this episode, and if you like this particular video, do like and share this video, and do of course subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you at 8 p.m. again. Thanks. Bye.